Hi, welcome. It's Dr. Parker and
Hi.
Ellen. We are back for our monthly Q&A. Today we're going to talk about wild birds and wild bunnies. It's that time of the year where the bunny population, the baby bird population gets quite high. So we're just going to do a quick little video on some tips for you. So the first question for Dr. Parker today is, what happens when you find a baby bird or baby bunny?
The first thing is, if you find them alone or find them in a spot that they're not supposed to belong in, let's say the nest is on the ground or the baby bird's on the ground or the baby rabbit is hopping around not where it belongs, first step is put it back. It's okay if you touch them. It does not keep the mom from taking care of them. If the bird's on the ground, if you see the nest, put it back in the tree. If you find an area that's in the tree that's safe for it, definitely put it back in there. Rabbits actually have burrows in the ground, so what you're going to be looking for if you find a baby rabbit is actually a hole in your ground, and then that's where they're going to be put back into. So the safest way and the best way to have these babies survive is actually be back into their environment and in their nest.
So how do we know when it's appropriate to bring them into the clinic?
So there's a few scenarios. In particular, these two kids were brought to us in their entire nest, and I told the owners to, if they could, put the nest back in the tree, but the tree was cut down, so there was nowhere left for them to go. Or if it's a scenario where the bunny burrow is completely, mutilated from the lawnmower, there's nowhere to put it back, then I definitely recommend bringing them in. Or you can do an at-home care. But that's something that I always recommend calling your veterinarian first, and then we can guide you.
So you mentioned at-home care.
Mm-hmm.
What can I do at home?
So usually with the small, baby rabbits and birds, we do like to do some milk replacer, usually puppy milk or kitten milk replacer, depending on, the size and how old. And I always say call your vets because we can kind of guide you in what you should be feeding and how much and kind of the at-home care. Definitely, have a veterinarian on board to help you, and if you have any problems, you can always bring it in for us to see them, and we can take care of them.
That's it, I think, for today. If you have any questions, if you find the baby bunny, baby bird, we're still always willing to answer your phone calls. You can call us at the clinic at 702-645-3116, and we'll answer those questions for you.
Thank you.
Thanks.